Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by signing in and choosing the right store. This matters because settings apply per store. Once signed in, glance at the dashboard cards, revenue, sessions, and recent orders to orient yourself. Make sure your currency and payout are set under settings so prices display correctly. Then open Orders and Products panels. These are your control centers. Start with a quick inventory check to confirm SKUs and active listings before you proceed to add or edit items. Now you add and configure products. You do this because accurate listings drive conversions. Click Add Product and enter title, description, and price. Include Compare at Price if you run promotions. Upload multiple high-resolution images and create variants for size or color so customers see options. Set SKU, barcode, wait for accurate shipping calculations, then manage inventory counts and restock alerts. Once done, group items into collections and set product visibility and SEO fields to help discovery across the store and search engines. To finish, customize and preview your theme so the store matches your brand. Test both desktop and mobile layouts. Make sure payment providers, shipping rates, and tax settings are configured, then run a test checkout using a sandbox or 0% discount to verify flow. Publish the theme when everything looks and works right. After launch, monitor analytics and orders to catch problems early. If something breaks, clear your browser cache and inspect the theme console for errors. That quick check often reveals the root cause.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.